The biggest live stream audio mistake. Welcome to our 30 days of improving our live stream audio, and this is day 2. I'm Sayedwin, producer, Ongeza Data. Many church focus heavily, invest heavily na kununua cameras to improve their video quality. In fact, they have budget for very, very good cameras, but they forget audio is more important than video. Assume watu hawawezi kusikia your sermon, watu hawawezi kusikia your band. They will automatically switch off and they will not watch you. Imagine a good live stream mix must start with clean audio, or even a good live stream service must start with very clean audio routed from the mixer. If a church live stream sounds unclear, like vile unapatanga hapo hatusikiki, sometimes utapata ni distortion and backlighting and so many other challenges. The problem may not be the camera, kwa sababu video already tunaona video ni kali sana. A 4K video, in fact, you our senior pastors and bishops, you know how to invest very, very nicely kwa mambo na cameras, but the problem might be the audio setup, and that is the biggest live stream audio mistakes we do. See you on day 3. I'm Sayedwin, producer.